Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. If you're looking to personalize your Apple Watch by editing your watch face, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to customize and even add new watch faces to make your Apple Watch truly yours. Let's get started. First, wake up your Apple Watch by either raising your wrist or tapping the screen. Once your watch is active, press and hold the current watch face until you enter customization mode. You'll see the watch face shrink slightly, and a few options will appear. If you're interested in switching to a different watch face altogether, you can swipe left or right to browse through the available faces. When you find one you like, just tap on it to select it. But if you want to customize the watch face you're currently using, tap the Edit button. Once you're in the Edit mode, swipe left to access the different customization options. Here, you'll be able to tweak things like colors, complications, and styles. Tap on any element you want to change and use the digital crown to scroll through the various options available. For example, if you want to change the color scheme, tap on the color option and scroll through the choices using the digital crown until you find one that suits your style. The same goes for complications, those handy little widgets that display information like weather, calendar events, or your activity rings. Tap on a complication, then scroll through the options to find the one you want to display. Once you've made all your adjustments, press the digital crown to save your changes and exit customization mode. Your new watch face will now be set and ready to go. If you want to add a completely new watch face to your collection, just swipe all the way to the right until you see a plus icon. Tap on that, and you'll be able to browse and add new faces from Apple's watch face gallery. And there you have it. Editing your Apple Watch face is a great way to make your watch feel more personal and tailored to your needs. Whether it's changing colors, tweaking complications, or adding a new face altogether, it's all about making your Apple Watch work better for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your Apple devices. See you guys later.